Before we get into the video, I have to ask you a question. Are you a woman above the age of 40 that's struggling to lose weight? You want to get off medications? You want to develop more confidence? Well, you can click the link in the description box to gain access to my website, or you can get into contact with me, or you can also contact me via email and Instagram. Me and my team of certified professionals will create you a plan that you can follow from the comfort of your own home. How convenient is that? And I guarantee you results because we will provide you with all the necessary tools that will make improving your health easy and effortless. So if you're interested, reach out to me and I look forward to working with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, the topic of discussion is sales. It's important that you understand what sales are because sales make up your entire body. And without sales, you would cease to exist. So let's get into the video. Now, before we get into what sales are, I think it's important that you understand the origin of cells. All cells stem from a zygote. What is a zygote? A zygote contains both a sperm cell and an egg. Once the sperm cell and the egg combine, you get the zygote. Now, a zygote is considered a diploid cell. A diploid cell is a cell that contains 46 chromosomes. Most of the cells in your body contain 46 chromosomes. Now, shortly after the zygote forms, the process of cellular division occurs. The process of cellular division is called mitosis. Now that you have a proper understanding of where cells stem from, we can now talk about cells. So what are cells? Cells are the basic building block of life. They literally make up the entire body. Each cell contains specialized structures that keep the cell thriving. These structures are called organelles. You may be familiar with a few organelles. A few organelles that you may be familiar with are the mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy, the nucleus. The nucleus is where the DNA resides. You have ribosomes, which are responsible for creating DNA-derived proteins. You have other organelles, like the endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, and there are many different types of organelles. Now, there are different types of cells. You have liver cells, hepatocytes. You have heart cells, myocytes. You have brain cells of the brain, which are called neuroglial cells. And as I've already stated, there are many different types of cells in the human body. So think of cells as a community of different people with specialized functions or specialized tasks that work together to preserve the development of society. Now, cells have many different types of functions. It's responsible for reproduction, metabolism, so the cell taking in nutrients to create energy. It's responsible for the elimination of waste. But the most important function of a cell is to help an organism grow and develop. If cells didn't have the ability to divide, which allows the organism to grow and develop, organisms would cease to exist. All right, guys, that concludes the video. If you found this video on cells very informative, share this video with someone who could use this information. If you're a woman above the age of 40 that's struggling to lose weight, contact me via email or Instagram so that me and my team of health professionals can help create you your own personalized health program that you can follow from home. But as always, guys, Stay healthy.